Welcome to Mathi's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a very tasty appalam koottu. These are the ingredients we need to make this simple appalam koottu. Take a bowl and add quarter cup of chana dal to it. Add enough water and soak the chana dal for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash them thoroughly after 15 to 20 minutes. Add enough water to the chana dal and pressure cook the chana dal in a pressure cooker along with one potato that is cut. We are going to boil both the dal and potato together. While that is getting done, cut appalam or pappadam into small pieces. Make sure you are not cutting them into too small pieces. Heat enough oil for deep frying, and once it turns hot, add the small cut appalam pieces and deep fry them. Remove all of the fried appalams and set them aside. Meanwhile, in a mixer jar, add 1 green chilies, quarter teaspoon of jeera seeds and 2 tablespoons of coconut and make a paste. Transfer the cooked chana dal to a pan. The chana dal should be soft but not mushy. Peel the potatoes and roughly chop them to medium size cubes. Add the chopped potatoes along with required amount of salt. Make sure to add very less salt as the appalam itself will have some salt in it. Add half a cup of water and allow them to boil. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder to the dal and potato along with 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. If you do not have sambar powder, you can replace them with 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and quarter teaspoon of red chili powder too. Let them all combine together and begin to boil until the raw smell from the sambar powder goes off. Add the grounded coconut green chili and jeera paste to the chana dal and potatoes. Combine them and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until the koottu gets thickened. You can also mash 1 or 2 potatoes with the ladle while it is getting cooked. We are not adding any rice flour for this koottu to get thickened. The potato and the dal itself will make the koottu get thickened. Add the fried appalam to the koottu and combine them all together. After adding the appalam, do not boil the koottu for a longer time. Once the appalam is combined with the koottu, turn off the flame. Meanwhile, in a small pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add 1 teaspoon of vadagam if you have to make the tempering. If you do not have vadagam with you, you can make a tempering with mustard seeds, small onions and a handful of curry leaves. Fry this vadagam to a golden brown color. Turn off the flame and transfer them to the appalam kootu that is ready. Combine them together and serve them along with hot rice, some vatta kolambu or any spicy kolambu varieties. Appalam kootu is now ready to be served. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.